Okay, here's the Gibson. This is a 2000, I think, 2000, 1999, something like that. Yeah, here you go. Ugh. It's a white consolidated industry, of course. 50/50 BTU. Yep. Oh, January of 2000. So this one supposedly doesn't work, but it seems to work. I mean, the compressor runs. It's AHAM certified. It's got an interesting looking condenser fan and a motor. It looks almost like a Macmillan box fan motor, but bigger. And it's got, I can't see what that says. And it's got, if I can get in here, it's got an interesting looking thing. This one's dirty. This one's got a lot of crap in the bottom of it. And the coil on the back has seen better days. Actually looks like it's been smashed in quite well right there. What was that? But, it's just the metal fins. The coil itself appears to be okay. And I can actually still see light through it, so it's not completely plugged or anything. So, let's see. Thermostat clicks. Let's put it on high fan. It definitely needs to be cleaned. It doesn't smell so great. Let's see. Right now on fan, the air coming out of it is about 72, and there's still crap. What is all this crap? Looks like paint or something. I don't know. Ugh. Anyway, let's turn this on. You see the compressor sounds okay. Well, maybe not. It does run though. Yeah, it really ain't doing so great. What is all of this blowing out of here? Look at this. Look at this, spreading it all over the floor. It looks almost like mold or something. I don't know. It's disgusting. Anyway, I think the refrigerant is low or something, because it's not cooling. Let's go down to low fan and see if that'll help it out. Well, it's gone down a degree. See if the back's getting warm. 81, 79, no, not really. It's doing a whole bunch of nothing. I'll remove the front cover. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the front cover off. This coil's a bit dirty, but it's definitely low, because you can see where the moisture is. It's cold right to about there, and then the rest of it's just nothing. It's starting to get a bit cooler up here. maybe I should let it run for a while. But the air coming out of it has gone down to 65. It's 72 in here, so I mean it's mediocre, but it is working. I don't know how dirty the coils on this thing are either, at least on the back. But something tells me that after this runs for a while like this will probably just freeze solid if it doesn't thaw out. The rest of it's starting to get a bit cooler. More of that crap just blew out of here. You can see it all over here. I don't know what it is. So this unit might just need a little bit of time to wake up, because it seems, I mean the coil here it's thawed out. This one's still a bit frozen, but it's thawing out. The top ones are getting kind of cool, and it's blowing pretty good now. 63, there's 76 in here. I mean it's not great. And I was right, this is a Macmillan electric motor. Kind of weird. But I know they're good motors. It's got a bunch of crap in it. But you can see right here, it's already collecting water and it's already going into the back here. Because this thing was completely dry when I got it. And now there's water in here. Not much. And it's only been running for about 2 minutes, but... Where's the capacitor? It's down here with this lid. It's got a lid on it. It's an LG compressor, which is kind of weird, but it sounds okay. It sounded bad at first, but now it sounds okay. Oh, someone put a big hole here. Unless that's original, I don't know. It doesn't really matter, because I was going to put a drain hole anyway. So, I don't know how long it was sitting, but I think it might have needed a time to wake up. It's definitely some low on charge. You can kind of see. It's cold right to about there, and that much, not really. But I mean, it's thawed out, it's not frozen up anymore, and I can feel the coils on the end here are still cold. There we put it up to high fan. It's still holding pretty good. Even on high fan. It's still doing good. In fact, that seems to have helped it actually. The coil on the back, what is that, the condenser on the back? That one could be dirty. Can't really see. Well, no, it doesn't really look that bad. Although this unit definitely is going to get a good cleaning. Seems to be doing okay, I guess. This is kind of interesting. Compressor's mighty hot. I think it'll be okay. I'll leave it running for a little while and we'll see what happens.